come up with any kind of decision.
Meghalaya Assembly Speaker Metbah Lyngdoh has stated that the audit report on the Assembly building is almost complete. Lyngdoh said the report on the two wings of the building is almost complete and that the PWD department is now looking into the central portion of the building. The department is seeking a way to access the foundation of the building so as to make the report more comprehensive, he added. The Speaker also said once the report is complete, the high-powered committee would meet and review the same. The audit is being conducted by a 5-member team of IIT Guwahati.
The information is more or less ready as far as the audit report of the two wings of the main building, that is the right wing and the left wing. And it appears that they have also asked about from the PWD department, they would like to know the status of the strength of the main building or the main portion of the building.
The Department of Sports and Youth Affairs yesterday organized an event